my name is Sarah, and if you're new here, I am going on the spring 2023 voyage of Semester at Sea. It is December 16th today. I am just starting to put things together. I'm actually going on a Caribbean cruise with my family over Christmas, and I will be back for less than 24 hours between when I come back from that trip and when I leave on Semester at Sea. So I need to pack all of my Semester at Sea stuff now, unpack, because I'm using the same suitcase for my family trip, pack for that, and then when I get back, then I will repack for Semester at Sea. I thought I'd just kind of start now, kind of giving an update as we go, because there's gonna be several different parts. On Semester at Sea, we're allowed to take 4 pieces of luggage with us on the ship, 2 full-size suitcases, 1 carry-on, and 1 personal item. My flight is on Emirates, which doesn't allow personal items, so I had to actually buy a 3rd checked bag so that I can check my 40-liter backpack, which is fine. It's not ideal. It'll be worth it because I definitely need to have that extra piece of baggage. This is my soft-sided suitcase. None of this is like officially packed. I've just kind of like put it in there when I know that I have it. Once I collect everything, I'll actually organize it better. On the prohibited list is no aerosol items, but people on Semester at Sea have been saying that people have been allowed to bring aerosols on there, and they actually do sell aerosol like sunscreen in the ship store, so we're just gonna risk it. And then this is my 40-liter Osprey backpack. This is like my in-country travel. It's my carry-on, but this is like some silicone baggies. This is my day pack that folds up really small. And then these are the packing cubes that when I post-travel in Europe, these are those packing cubes that fit really nicely in this backpack. So I need to make sure that these go with so that I can bring them. And so far I have packed 0 clothes. Like, I have not figured that out at all, which is my biggest problem. So this is my big packing list. I made it in Google Sheets. Each column is a different category. So we have documents, clothes, toiletries, medical, accessories, schools and electronics, food, miscellaneous. As I'm packing them this first time, I'll just highlight them. And then when I actually pack right before I leave, I'll actually cross them off. This is very detailed except for clothes. Some of it is more specific, like my shorts, but most of it is just like, you need some t-shirts, and then I need to figure that out. Today's the next day. It is Sunday, December 18th. It's like midnight right now. I'm just trying to lay out all my clothes before I actually put them in those bags, just so I can kind of see everything I have and then decide what I need to take away. There's some sweatshirts. I get cold easily, so I know that that's gonna be good for me. Some long sleeves, and then like flannels. These are different pants. So you have leggings, elephant pants, 1 pair of actual sweatpants, and then some different like joggers or like looser pants, and then there's 2 pairs of jeans down here, 1 ripped and 1 not. Here I have like pajama pants over sweater kind of thing, and then just some different shorts, more athletic shorts, dress up shorts, jean shorts, casual shorts. Today is Monday, December 19th. I have so much to do. Tomorrow my family's celebrating Christmas Eve. Wednesday I still have work, and then afterwards we're celebrating regular Christmas. And then Thursday, my family's leaving on our Caribbean cruise. I have no time, literally no time. I need to figure out packing for Semester C tonight. I'm not stressed about it at all. I don't know why you think I would be. These are all the t-shirts that I picked out that I might want to bring. There's like 20 of them. I obviously need to get that down somehow. Really oversized Adidas shirt, because I'm gonna have other oversized shirts. I don't need this one because I'm not gonna wear it. Light white gray striped shirt, kind of a nicer-ish one that I can dress up more. This is from Pakistan. It says go outside and explore. I really like that one too. There's not a lot of color in my current stack of clothes right now, which is a little sad. These are the 2 purple shirts. This is my Beatles one, this is my Yosemite one. I wish the lighting was better in here too, okay? Is that better? I think it is. Beatles shirt is a little thinner. The Yosemite one is a little thicker. I want to bring all of them. Okay, I'm gonna bring my Beatles one. My entire wardrobe is patterned for like blue and green. So like this is just gonna really throw it off. How many t-shirts do we have right now? 1, 2, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14 t-shirts, including ones that I would use to sleep in. Is that too much? Probably a couple more going out tops, more cropped ones, some like regular shirts, and then some nicer shirts that I can dress up for like a field class. I feel like that's reasonable. All the clothes that I'm also bringing on the cruise are gonna go in one packing cube so that it's easier to repack once I get back from the cruise. Very difficult. I'm trying to pack for 2 things at once in half of the same luggage. My brain hurts. This is all the clothes that are also going with me on the cruise. That's not including the underwear and socks. There's a packing cube. There are some shorts, pants, t-shirts, long sleeves in here, like a little bit everything. Okay, as you can see, I've made a lot of progress. A lot less stuff just laying around. This is the clothes that I'm gonna wear on the plane, so that doesn't need to be packed. That pile is stuff that's gonna go in my personal item backpack, but I'm currently using that, so I need to do that later. Yeah, a lot of progress made tonight. It's like midnight right now, so I'm gonna go to bed. Probably will unpack and pack for my cruise tomorrow. Okay, today is Tuesday, December 20th. I pretty much managed to pack almost everything last night into what I need for semester at sea. So I'm just gonna go through and show you everything that I'm bringing on semester at sea. The only thing I don't have actually packed right now are like my personal toiletry bag, jewelry, and like some papers that I need to print out. But those are all small things that I figure wouldn't be that hard to put in last minute. This is my soft-sided suitcase. It's pretty full right now. There's a couple extra like big toiletries that need to go in. And here I have 4 swimsuits. Here I have a tote bag, sweater I can throw over, like dresses especially. Here I have my Nikes stuffed with socks. And then I have snack bags. So snack bags is something my family's been doing for a long time. And they have a variety of things in each one. Easier to organize. I can pull one of these out and this will last me about 2 weeks. This is really cute. It's my mom gave it to me, and this is just the box. But inside of it, there's like a little note for every day that I'm gone and like tiny little gifts. I honestly don't know how she managed to fit all of it in here. This is granola cereal that I really like. Another snack bag, Cheez-Its, COVID test, just in case, you never know. These are 2 sweatshirts that didn't fit in my packing cubes. This is a microfiber foldable towel that just like folds in this. It's super nice. This is my packing cube that has 4 dresses in it. This white one is my alumni ball one. So this is one of my packing cubes full of clothes. This is a flannel on top, but honestly I don't know what the rest of it is in there. None of my packing cubes are all like one thing. I wanted to make sure that in every suitcase or backpack I had that there was kind of something of everything, just in case something got lost. Just know that when I say there's a packing cube full of clothes, it could mean anything. This is another packing cube. Up here I can see some leggings. This is a long sleeve, like a striped long sleeve that I can dress up a little bit more. That's a pretty heavy packing cube as well. And this packing cube is full of toiletries, face wash, contacts, toothbrush, Dramamine, itch spray. I get pretty bad bug bites, acne gel, Claritin, we love seasonal allergies, lotion, stuff like that. A lot of toothpaste. All that is in here. This is my grandma's rolling duffel. It's pretty full, but I weighed it and it's like 44 pounds. So not bad. Up on the top here I have my raincoat, and then I have some conditioner and gel. These are some filters for my Brita water bottle. Contact solution, we love not being able to see. Bug spray with DEET in it. This is my little clothing line because I also have a scrubba. I'm not about to pay $7.50 for a load of industrial washing. Snacks, so we have Triscuits, wheat thins, vanilla wafers, bras and tank tops, I believe. This is a kind of lightweight coat. It's like block colored. I really love it so much. This is a big packing cube full of clothes. I can see my elephant pants there, like some sweatshirts, I think, a lot of t-shirts in this one, lots of clothes. These are all just more snack bags in here. On the bottom part of my rolling duffel, it's like one of those drop bottoms. I have my Converse, I have my Chacos here, Crocs for on the ship, they're stuffed with socks, same with my Vans. Little boxes of Kleenex here. Somebody said something about not everybody having toilet paper in more eastern countries, and so I thought this would be a good idea to use just in case. Here are gloves and a hat. We're mostly going to warmer countries, but I'm also wanting to go to Norway post semester at sea when I'm backpacking. I figure it couldn't hurt, doesn't take up a lot of space. You never know. Here's my scrub up, probably going to have a few trial and errors trying to get that to work. This is my sand cloud towel, very thin but big. Under here, this is my travel blanket. It's actually folded up right now into a pillow. My cousin got this for me several years ago, so I'm really happy that I'm getting to use it. It's so soft. Over here, under this is my school supplies. These are puncture-proof gloves that I need for oceanography, my waterproof notebook, binder that they also want for oceanography, post-its there, extra journal, and then a folder and a notebook down here for my travel writing class. And then this is my 40-liter Osprey Fairview. In this top pocket here, we have silicone Ziploc bags, reusable bags that I can use for food, a hand sanitizer, some carabiners, and my travel lock. A second pocket, I have another snack bag. My vitamins here, this is like a multivitamin, this is vitamin D. Then I have my aloe and my sunscreen, and then another solution, contact solution. And then in my main compartment here, I have another COVID test, pair of ripped jeans that didn't fit in any packing cubes. This is my green coat that I've had since freshman year of college. It is so great. I love it a lot. This is my waterproof phone case, so I can take really good pictures and stuff and video using my phone. This is my portable day pack. This unfolds into a nice size backpack. This is socks. And then this packing cube is clothes that I'm bringing on the cruise. And then I'll just run through the things that I'm bringing in my personal backpack that's gonna be going on my flight. Obviously I can't pack it yet because I'm still using my backpack every day. So I just kind of put all those things into a pile. I'm going to be wearing my Birks. So I'm gonna have my tennis shoes in my backpack. Wait, is that for the right trip? That might not be for the right trip, but I might be end up doing it anyway. This is my bag of period supplies. I use a cup and reusable pads, all my period supplies for 5 months. This is my documents bag. It's waterproof, has like my visas in there, foreign currency, anything I'll need like that. A pile of masks, all my prescriptions. When you get on the ship for the first time, you need all your prescriptions in a Ziploc bag on your carry-on so you can access them. This is my bum bag. It's gonna be my purse on semester at sea, and in it I have my nice big 52-page passport, my COVID card that I had to buy a little protector for because it's disintegrating, and my yellow fever card. Mini snack bag. I'm just gonna be refilling this with my bigger snack bags. This flannel, I use this as a blanket on most flights. Handkerchiefs, I don't like using Kleenex if I can help it. Sustainable girly. My Polaroid. Haven't used her in a minute, but I have 2 boxes of film yet, so I probably should use it on semester at sea. If I'm gonna use it, it should be on semester at sea. This is my hard drive. It's actually not a hard drive, it's an SSD, which is supposed to be more safe, especially with vibrations from the ship. She's blue, course, because everything I own is blue. This has my metal straw and my little like portable spoon fork thing. I would take it out, but it's not easy. This is my little laundry bag that I got at the Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam. This is my little suitcase weigher that I got for my birthday. I've already used it several times to try and measure out my bags. 2 sets of Harry Potter playing cards, extra ports for my MacBook. These are mosquito bracelets. I use these in Bali and they were great, so I'm gonna keep using them. They still smell like the 4th of July. Some wet wipes, universal adapter, my little clicker for my tripod so I can take pictures, Tide stick, gum. This is my old phone. It's an 8. A lot of people talk about how it's a good idea to bring an extra phone in case yours gets stolen, broken, whatever. She wasn't great when I got a new phone, but she wasn't dead either. Hopefully I won't need this. I think that's
everything. I'm gonna run through my big massive packing list of like how many of each thing that I brought. 5 tank tops, 8 shorts, 8 long sleeves, 4 swimsuits, 5 sweatshirts. I get cold easily. 10 bras, 14 pants, which includes 5 leggings. Again, might seem like a lot, but I live in leggings. 2 sweaters, 4 dresses, literally like 25 pairs of socks. Should I cut some of those out? Probably yes. But like some of them will probably disintegrate by the end of the voyage. 14 shirts. Every packing list I've ever seen really divides things out specifically, like sleep shirts, casual shirts, going out shirts. My clothing overlaps too much for me to think about it like that. A shirt that I could sleep in is also a shirt that I would put with jeans. I'm not a dressy up kind of person. Me wearing a sweater right now is because I just came from work. Underwear, literally just brought all my underwear. All of it. I shampoo like once every 2 weeks. I'm just bringing whatever's left in my shampoo bottle. And I also have bar shampoo and bar conditioner, a lot of chapstick, hair binders, small clips, big clock clips, scrunchies. I don't really wear makeup in general on a normal basis. I'm probably going to bring like 1 mascara, a tinted chapstick, and 1 little thing of foundation or concealer. Like that's it. And I probably won't wear them very much at all. That pretty much sums it up. If you have any questions about semester at sea or what is going on or what I'm doing or packing questions, or if you're also going on the spring 23 voyage of semester at sea, please comment down below and I will definitely respond. I respond to everything that anybody comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be super helpful for me. I am really just so excited to get on semester at sea and meet everybody and get started on this thing that I've been waiting 2.5 years for. I applied for semester at sea in June of 2020. It's been 2.5 years and I'm so excited to go. It's almost here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching literally the most chaotic packing video anybody's ever seen. It's trying to pack for 2 trips in one is really hard, in case you couldn't tell. I'm so excited to not be stressed about this anymore.